Hey guys, Anita here. How is everyone? Okay, so today we're going to be doing I Love Etsy episode 21. And since today is the next episode after the giveaway, we're going to be doing the giveaway today as well. So I already have comment picker. I'm going to use, hang on guys, let it straighten up. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to just put the URL for that video with the comments in here, and then it's just gonna pick and I had 2 items, but I did find one more Alex and Ani bracelet, so we're gonna be doing 3. So I'm just gonna put that in. Since I'm not doing a live, this is how I'm gonna do it. Okay, one moment. Paste. Okay, and then it says, and I pasted it there, the link. Continue, get your YouTube comments. Okay. Okay, so now we're just going to press start and see what names come up. Okay, here we go. Oh, the first one, let me show the first one. Okay, the first one is going to be this, the crane one. And I did say I was going to add silver items to them. So I did add these really cute with pink stones and clear stone earrings to this lot. So this is going to be the first prize here. Okay. Sorry, guys, I haven't been on in a while. Okay. Okay, so, and it's shuffling the names. Sorry about the glare. It's from the chandelier. Okay. Okay. Shay Lacey is the winner for this one. Congratulations, Shay. If you're watching, can you please email me, or if you have a Facebook account and I'm one of your friends, please send me your mailing info and I will mail it to you. Congratulations. Okay, so this was the first one, and let me just write over here the name so I don't get it mixed up. SHAELACY. Okay, so the next one we're gonna do is this one here. I don't know if you guys remember, this is the angel one. And for this one, I'm gonna add the sterling silver gingerbread man necklace here. It's a pendant and comes with a necklace. Very cute. So we're gonna do this. Okay, so let's do it again. How do we do it again? Hang on, guys. Okay, let me see. Pick another winner. Okay. Start. Okay, shuffling. Iris Flentroy. Okay, Iris, if you're watching, please, again, my email is in the description of the video. Please email me your mailing info, and congratulations. I'll mail it out to you tonight. And let's see here. I'm gonna write that down. Sorry, guys, I need to write it down, or else I'll get it mixed up. FLENTROY. Okay. So these, and then, okay, and like I said, I had an extra one here, which is this one here with the cute little, kind of like a peacock color stone. And for this one, I'm going to add again the silver item. I'm going to add this really cute flower necklace pendant. Sorry about the phone. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do one more. Okay, let's see here. Pick another winner. Okay, so sorry about the glare. Start. Lisa Pinot. Okay, congratulations, Lisa. Like everybody else, please go ahead and email me or iMessage me your mailing info, and I will mail it to you today. If I get the information in today. If not, it'll have to wait till tomorrow's shipments. PINO. Thank you, everyone who participated. I will be having more giveaways as it goes. But thank you I want to thank everyone for participating. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and show you the 10 items that I listed in my Etsy store. Okay. And I'm not going to be able to show you the ones that are already sold because they're already gone. But I will show you what I listed for today. Okay, the first one is this one here. 925 Fleur Deli pendant. Very cute. I'm sorry about the glare. I don't know why it's doing that. Too much light. Okay, but the pictures will be nicer in the listings. You'll get better you'll be able to see more details, especially of the marks and stuff. Okay, so this one I did list for $10 with the necklace, and the necklace is 16 inches. Okay, so that's one. The next one is NF925. Oh, this one here. It is really interesting. It's really cute. It's a mesh necklace here with a little knot. Also 925. I really like this one, and two little balls on the bottom. This one is a 16-inch, and I did list this one again also for $10. And as you guys know, I do put 20% off for my listings. I do start them off that way, so it will be less than what I'm saying now. I'm only saying the original price in case the sale ends and they have the original prices on them. Okay, heart earrings. Okay, we can never have too many heart earrings. These are really cute. They're sterling silver. I'm not sure what the stones are. I don't think they are stones. They're just red, and you can't really see them from the camera, but they are really red in there. And I do love the scroll work here in the front. These are not marked, but I did test them, and they are sterling. And these I did list for 15. Okay. Next, we have puppy charm bracelet. Okay, this one here. It's a cute little charm bracelet with little puppy charms on here. This one here, it's a little bone. This one is a little puppy. It's another bone. Okay, so this these three. Okay, I want to mention this. These three charms here are sterling silver. The only one that's not silver is this one here, the paw. This one is not sterling silver. It's just metal. And I didn't want to take it off of here because it looks cute with the others. And the chain is also silver. The bracelet measures 7 inches. I really like this dog charm here. So cute. Very cute. Okay, like I said, there's only one charm that's not silver. Everything else here is silver. And I did list this one here for $40. Okay. Next, oh, we have an amber pendant here. Okay, we have a really cool amber pendant here. I love the shape of this. I love the different colors in here. And I did test this, and I did add a chain, a really nice chain to it. The chain is 20 inches. And I did list this one, and it does have the bail that is marked 925 as well. I listed this one for 15. And like I said, there, if you go look at the pictures, you'll see more details in the pictures. Okay. Next, we have this one here. Okay, this one is not silver, but I did add a silver chain to it, a vermeil chain here in gold tone. This is a really, really nice large piece here, enamel gold tone, and it is marked in the back. It says CFW. I'm not sure what that means. I did find a few things, but I'm not sure what it actually stands for, the CFW. It is a really nice, very substantial, nice, pretty piece here. And this one, I listed it for $22. And again, it does have a silver chain. Okay, next we have white Monet. Oh, this one here. Okay, we have a 2-strand Monet bracelet here. Okay, this one here. And I'm sure you've seen this one. This is a book piece. This one, it's very nice. It's in really good condition. And this, I measured this one too. Oh no. Okay, so yes, 7. I thought I didn't write it down. It's 7.5 inches. And this one I listed it for $20. And this one I listed only the bracelet in the picture, but I am going to include the necklace. The reason I didn't add the necklace in the picture is because the necklace has damage to it. And I'm going to show you this one. I'm just going to send this one as a gift. See over here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it does have kind of like it's a little smushed over here. I don't know how to describe it besides smushed. And it does have a little bit of color loss on this one bead only. The rest of the beads are fine. And again, this one does have the tags as well. It's not in the picture, but I am going to include it. So this one, I listed it for $20. Okay. Next, okay, this one, everybody is messaging. Well, not everybody, but I have received a lot of messages for this brooch. So I finally decided to list it. I couldn't find any information on it. I got a lot of messages saying that it might be a Miriam Haskell. I don't know if it is or if it isn't. Reason why I just listed it as a brooch set. It's very pretty. This is like probably, if you're going to buy one brooch, this should be it. And it does come with the matching earrings. And I listed this one high. I listed it for $100 because I couldn't verify if it was Miriam Haskell or not. But even if it's not, it's still worth the price that I'm asking, because it is a very old, beautiful piece, again, with the AB stones. And look at the back of this one. Very beautiful. So I did, yes, go ahead and list it. And these are clip-on earrings that match. So yes, of course, it's going to be a lot less with the 20% off. But I did decide to list it. Okay. So next we have two pendant necklace lot. Okay, these two here, very cute little necklaces. I mean pendants with including the necklaces. I don't know what's coming on here. You can never keep a tablecloth white. Okay, real cute little O's modern style pendant here with the really nice chain, and I'm including this one as well. It says Dream, again with its own chain. And these I listed both for $15, which is a great deal. You can't even get the chains for that much. So that's that. We have, okay. So this one here, I didn't know what it was. I did look it up. It's called Me and Row. They have very high priced items, this company or designer. And it has a really cute little flower here. I couldn't find the exact same one, and the marking is over here on the little. Well, you're not going to be able to see it here, but it is in the pictures. And I didn't list it too high. I did list this one for $20. Okay. Next we have this one here. It's a Laurel Birch brooch. This one is called Fantastic Felines. Three little cats, colorful, very cute. And it is in really good condition. It's marked in the back. This one I listed it for $14. Okay, next we have pink heart mother of pearl earrings with the marcasites. Really nice earrings. And the earrings I listed it for $15. Okay, I'm gonna link my I'm not gonna edit any of this, guys. We do make mistakes while we're making live videos. Everybody that does YouTube knows. What I wanted to say is I'm gonna link my my Facebook group below. It's called There's Always Room for Jewelry. Please feel free to join if you haven't already. And I hope you guys had fun. And thank you again for everybody who participated in the giveaway. I will be having another one soon. And I guess I hope you guys had fun. Thank you so much for watching. This is Anita saying goodbye. Bye, everyone.